Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the fish hook pattern in trading. This unique pattern can provide valuable insight into the potential trend reversals, making it an essential tool for your trading strategy. You would learn how to identify this pattern, the key characteristics that makes it significant, and effective trading strategies to capitalize on it. So be sure to watch until the end to fully grasp this concept and enhance your trading skills. Now, what is the fish hook pattern? This pattern is a specific chart formation that traders look for when analyzing price movement. It typically appears after a prolonged downtrend and signals a potential reversal in the market. The pattern gets its name from its shape, which resembles a fish hook. You can identify the fish hook pattern by observing three main stages. The first stage is a sharp price decline. The pattern begins with a significant drop in price. When we see a significant drop in price, which indicates strong selling pressure. This decline often watches trader or catches trader off guard, leading to a panic sell. When we see a significant drop in price, this is the first step in identifying this pattern, as we can see from the chart. The second step is a sudden recovery. Once we see following the decline, you would notice a quick rebound in price. This recovery is crucial as it suggests that buyers are stepping in and that selling pressure might be weakening, as demonstrated in my screen. As you can see, after a quick drop in price, we can see, sorry about that, after a quick drop in price, we can see a sudden recovery in price. This is the second step. After we notice the first and the second step, the formation of this hook shape is the final stage of where the price movement resembles a hook. After the recovery, the price may pull back slightly before making another upward move. As you can see in this area, after the pullback and after it showed us it wanted to go, it pulled back a little before it continued in its upward direction, as you can see from my chart. This make price to pull back slightly before making another upward move to complete the formation. Understanding this stage is essential for recognizing the fish hook pattern on your chart. By identifying this pattern early, you can position yourself to take advantage of potential trading opportunities as the market shifts direction. Let's see how we can trade the fish hook pattern. When it comes to trading the fish hook pattern, having a clear strategy is essential. The pattern can provide excellent opportunity, but to recognize these opportunities and enter trade is important. So you have to approach this with a plan. Here are some key steps to consider when trading the fish hook pattern. The first step is your entry point. The ideal entry point is typically after price completes the hook shape and begins to move upward again. Look for confirmation such as a strong bullish candle before entering your trade, cause this helps to ensure the pattern or the signal is a genuine signal. This helps to ensure that the reversal signal is a genuine signal. So we enter the trade after we see a bullish candle after it comes back to retest that area. This is where we would want to enter our trade. And don't forget, your stop loss placement is your second step, because to manage your risk effectively is very important in any trading strategy. Always place your stop loss just below the lowest point of the pattern. You place your stop loss just below the lowest point of the pattern. This way, if price move against you, your losses will be limited. Profit target, set profit target. Setting profit target is crucial for successful trading. Always identify key resistance level where the price might struggle to break higher. This level can serve as a good point to take profits. A common approach is to aim for a risk to reward of 1:2 or a previous support or resistance area on the chart. The fourth step is to monitor your trade performance. Once you enter a trade based on the fish hook pattern, keep an eye on the market condition and be prepared to adjust your strategy. Prepared to adjust your strategy if needed. If price shows strong momentum, consider trailing your stop loss by locking in profits as price move higher. By following these steps, you can effectively trade the fish hook pattern and increase your chances of successful trading in the market. Remember, patience and discipline are key when executing this trade. Always wait for confirmation before entering, and managing your risks appropriately to provide or to protect your capital. Now let's look at the common mistakes we need to avoid when trading the fish hook pattern. It is important to be aware of the common mistakes that could lead to losses. So here are some mistakes we need to avoid. The first one is entering too early. One of the biggest mistake traders make is jumping into the trade before the pattern fully forms. Entering the trade as soon as the result Entering a trade too soon can lead to losses if the price does not continue to rise as expected. So when you see such pattern, you need to avoid it. You always have to wait for a retest and a confirmation. This is an example of a failed pattern when price swiftly came down and zoomed up, but when it came to retest, it did not give us our confirmation that it wants to continue in the bullish area of the market. So failed trades can happen. The second mistake we need to not avoid is we need to avoid rather is ignoring the volume trend. Volume play a very crucial role in confirming the strength of the fish hook pattern. So if you see a recovery without an increase in volume, if you see a recovery without an increase in volume, it may indicate weak buying interest. Always check your volume levels before making your decision. The third common mistake we need to avoid is setting unrealistic profit targets. It is essential to set achievable profit targets based on market condition and previous resistance levels. Setting targets too high may lead to missed opportunities when price reverse before reaching them. So you have to use a realistic target. You can use areas like, if you take this trade, you can use areas like previous support or resistance area, like a previous resistance zone. This area is a previous resistance zone in the chart, or we can use a fixed risk to reward ratio. The fourth mistake that we need to avoid is neglecting risk management. Failure to implement proper risk management strategy can be detrimental. Always use stop losses and only risk a small percentage of your trading capital on each trade to protect yourself from significant losses. This means that you are only allowed to risk at least 1 or 2% of your trading capital per trade when trading this technique or this strategy, because this is important, because it gives you an edge and make sure that you remain in the game of trading for a longer period of time. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can improve your trading approach and increase your chances of success when using the fish hook pattern. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video today. If you explored the fish hook pattern and its significance in trading, if you found this video information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights. Do not forget to turn on your bell icon so that you will never miss out on any updates. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading.